Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got a July, a glossy box. If you're new to Glossybox, this is Glossybox UK. It contains 5 beauty treats every month and it costs £13.50. If you're interested in taking out a subscription for yourself, then I have a refer a friend code, which I'll pop up on the screen, but I'll also pop it down in my description, and down there you see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to, and that code will entitle you to get your first box for £8.50. They also do a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost as well. I feel a bit bare. Have you noticed I've got no jewellery? I just came back from Cyprus a few days ago and I still haven't unpacked. I've got all my clothes out, it's just going through all my makeup and skincare and all my bits and pieces and things like that. I just haven't done it yet. It does feel a bit weird not having my rings on. Right, so we got 5 beauty products. So this is the Escape to Paradise box. Just scan the QR code. There's a little variation. So we start off with that one, but it's literally some eye patches. You'll either get brightening or hydrating. I got the brightening ones. These are by Bubble Tea. This is the Hydrogel Under Eye Mask with squalene and vitamin C. Never tried these before from Bubble Tea. Love, love, love these under eye patches anyway. They're just so good. They're just like perk me up. Make me feel more alive, and yeah, just trying to get rid of any darkness or puffiness under my eyes. Luckily I don't suffer a lot from puffiness, but yeah, they do go quite dark sometimes. So how much are these then? They retail for £4 each, and if you have the hydrating ones, they contain niacinamide and zinc. So we got some eye patches. Then we got something for your hair. This is Philip Kingsley and this is Swim Cap. Water resistant mask. It's to shield hair from chlorinated and salt water. There's 40 mils there. It would have been handy for Cyprus, although saying that, I think I've probably got a few anyway. I've got a drawer behind me that is my hair drawer and everything goes in there. I didn't bring it with me. I'm more of a sea lover than a pool lover. I find lying in a pool boring, but then being in the sea, I could float around for an hour or two, which I did on my own twice in Cyprus. I just prefer it. But anyway, you apply this cream to damp hair and then you comb, leave it in, and then you just wash it out as normal. It's supposed to protect your hair from salt water and chlorine. Then we've got a Cuticle Oil. This is my favourite product in the box this month. This is by Nails Inc. and it's Vitamin C Please Nourishing Cuticle Oil. There's 10 mils there and it smells of oranges. It's so, so nice. I really like this. I've got cuticle oils in my car and by the side of my bed as well. And even though they're there, I don't always use them because I forget that they're there. I try and do it as often as possible because my cuticles, yeah, they can get really dry. I'm having nails done on the weekend. They've grown out quite fast. I think it's like being abroad, isn't it? The extra sun has made my nails grow. But, oh, it just smells so lovely. So, so lovely and orangey. I forgot I didn't tell you the price of the swim cap, so I'll just get the information up. So the swim cap retails for £10 and it's a deluxe size. And going back to the cuticle oil, it says packed with vitamin C, this cuticle oil helps to nourish your nails and cuticles, infused with vitamin E to amp up the nourishment. This healing boosting elixir is formulated to improve 5 visible signs of nail health: thickness, hardness, rehydration, smoothness and healthy growth. There's a burst of zingy orange fragrance in every drop. Your nails will be summer ready in no time, and it retails for £5. Yeah, I love that. Next we got a Dr. Lip. This is a multi-purpose balm for your lips, cheeks and eyes. It's a little bit goopy, so for me personally I would not put it on my eyes because it would do my head in. Ugh, that stickiness, no, I'd hate it. This is Superfood Elderberry Tint, and yeah, a little bit too goopy for my cheeks as well, but definitely for my lips. There. If you want like a very subtle flusher colour, and that'll give it to you, does it? No, it doesn't smell. I thought it might smell, but it doesn't. This is full size and it retails for £6.99. Tinted with our unique Superfood Elderberry pigment, this gorgeously nourishing plummy gloss is infused with 100% natural pigment, bursting with skin protecting antioxidants. And then lastly, we've got an eyebrow pencil. This is really hard to read. This is by Sugar Silk Beauty. I haven't heard of them before. And yeah, it's a brow pencil. It's in dark brown, so it's a super skinny one. So on one end, you've got a little brush there. The pencil there. Look how tiny that is. It's so small. Where's the non-sticky part? I'll put it there. I'll just draw some lines here because I can't do it properly with these type of pens because they're so fragile. they snap off easily. So yeah, so this reminds me of my favourite brow pencil by Benefit, Precisely My Brow Detailer. It's the super skinny one. Oh, I love it. It just gives the most natural looking strokes without it going blurry or too wide. I just love it. And even though this says dark brown, you will see that it's not. It's more like a dark blonde to brown, so not a really dark one. I don't want to press too hard because I don't want to snap the nib of it. Hopefully you can. Why is that looking orange? Oh my god, is that my fake tan? Oh, it might be. It just looks on camera I've just got an orange bit here. I do wash, I promise. That might be a little bit too light for me for my own eyebrows. So this is full size and it retails for £24.5p. Shape and define with precision. This dual-ended pen features a micro tip for natural hair-like strokes and a spoolie for blending and shaping, ideal for filling sparse spots or creating bold brows. The smudge-proof formula lasts all day. And there you go, those are all the products in the Glossybox. So I'll just recap. We got an under eye mask by Bubble Tea. We got a hair protecting swim cap from Philip Kingsley. We got an elderberry tint for lip, eyes and cheeks by Dr. Lip. We got a gorgeous vitamin C cuticle oil by Nails Inc. And we've got an ultra fine eyebrow pencil by Sugar Silk Beauty, I think. If you've tried any products from this brand, yeah, let me know what you think of them, because I don't think I've ever heard of them. Those are all the products. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.